Hello viewers, I'm Azuka OJ, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Catholic Church suspends Lagos priest who banned Igbo songs in Parish. The parish priest of Holy Trinity Catholic Church, Ewowa Beligbe in Ikorodu, Lagos, Reverend Father James Anelu has been suspended for banning Igbo songs and choruses in his parish. Before we go to the suspension story, let's look at what really happened and our thoughts on that. It was trending some days ago that a Catholic priest angrily bans Igbo worship songs in his church, the church where he's a parish priest. The priest also, who angrily stopped a soul-lifting chorus during the second collection, said the Igbos cannot keep dominating other people, even in his church. He cited the case of his Benin diocese, where Igbos dominate to the point of becoming the bishop in person of Akubueze. Reverend Father James Anelu said that the Spirit of God in any place recognizes only languages that are indigenous to that geographical location. On saying this, the entire congregation went up in a tumultuous uproar, leading to abrupt dismissal as people massively walked out of the mass. It was a sort of provocation. You know, I have been in a Pentecostal church in Lagos where the pastor asked the choir members to mix the songs they sing during services. He spoke specifically to them, the choir, not to focus on Yoruba songs alone, but to mix Igbo and other ethnic songs. I don't see anything wrong with what the pastor said. I think what matters is the way it was presented. The Roman Catholic priest wouldn't have stopped the song, but rather he would have consulted his choir to mingle other songs alongside. His approach wasn't acceptable to the people. This is what he would have adjusted without the knowledge of the whole church. Meanwhile, you hear more of Igbo songs in that church simply because Igbos are higher in numbers among the members. It will naturally be going that way. That wouldn't be the case in a CAC church found anywhere in Southwest Yoruba land, because you find more of Yorubas in such areas. So I think the priest mismanaged the situation and should be advised on how to go about it, or risk losing more members of that particular assembly. And you have heard what happened. He has been suspended. He has been suspended. So back to his suspension story. Why announcing the suspension, Martins, and in the letter dated February 7, said it has been brought to their notice, our notice, that's a Catholic Church, a person in charge, that Reverend Father James Anelu, the priest in charge of Holy Trinity Church, Ewowa Ikorodu, made some completely unacceptable comments about Igbo songs being sung in the church, and unsavory remarks that do not represent the church, Catholic Church position on the common brotherhood of people of all tribes and religions. So for this reason, he said he has been asked to proceed on an indefinite leave of absence to give an opportunity for a thorough investigation of all the matters relating to his ministry on the parish. The leave of absence takes effect from Tuesday, February 8, I think that's today, till further notice. He said, we therefore urge all Catholic faithful to hold on to the faith and continue in worship of God as one big family, united and not separated by language, culture, or race. So like we said, I think he didn't address the situation properly, and the leadership of Catholic Church in that area has taken action, which I think is nice. But I would like you viewers to tell us what you think about the incident. Add your comments on the comment section. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and like our pages. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. I'm Azuka OJ. I say bye for now.